Next, Introduction. In this lesson, we will learn how to implement a search functionality for students in our Python and MySQL application. Searching for students is a crucial feature in any educational system, as it allows users to retrieve specific information quickly. We will cover the basics of querying a database, as well as how to integrate this functionality into a Python application. Don't worry if this feels new at first. This section covers understanding the database structure. Before we start coding, it's essential to understand the structure of our database. For this lesson, we will assume we have a MySQL database called school with a table named students. The students table contains the following fields. First, ID integer, primary key also, first underscore name string also, last underscore name string also, email string finally, enrollment underscore date. Here is an example of how our students table might look. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Let's move on to setting up the Python environment. To interact with our MySQL database from Python, we need to install the MySQL Connector Python library. You can install it using pip. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Next, we will set up a connection to our MySQL database using the following code. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. Make sure to replace your underscore username and your underscore password with your actual MySQL credentials. Now, implementing the search functionality. Now, let's write a function that allows users to search for students by their names. The function will take a search term as input and return a list of matching students. Walk through the function definition shown in the code example. So, this function constructs a SQL query that searches for students whose first or last names contain the search term. The use of like with wildcards, %, allows for partial matches. Now we're on displaying search results. After retrieving the results, we will display them in a user-friendly format. Here's how we can implement this. Walk through the function definition shown in the code example. This function checks if any students were found and prints their details in a readable format. Now, bringing it all together. Now, let's combine everything into a simple script that allows a user to search for students. Add the Python snippet shown on screen to your application file, then use the run command displayed below. This program prompts the user to input a name, searches for matching students, and displays the results. In this lesson, we learned how to implement a student search feature in a Python application connected to a MySQL database. We covered, first, understanding the database structure, also, setting up the Python environment, also, writing a function to search for students, finally, displaying search results in a user-friendly format. Now put what you've learned into practice. First, modify the search functionality to allow searching by email. Also, add error handling for database connection issues. Also, implement pagination for search results if there are many students. Finally, enhance the user interface to make it more interactive.